we'll do that again.
So is there something else?
Like an almanac. What can I have?
No.
I do not have any more food.
How many did you give them?
No. Mata רוצה.
Food to give to the birds.
No, there's no food here to give to the birds.
We can't give them seeds. Come on.
A couple. But like not right on top of me.
How about some carrots? Beans. Nobody ever eats those.
We've been eating them.
Yeah, but there's like a million packs.
I didn't hear bracha, Yos. Don't do it near people. Yakir. Okay.
I can't give them like.
One. Two. Break it in half.
Oh my god, he caught it! Oh my god, oh no, he dropped it! Yeah, he caught it! Ready? Yeah, he caught it! Oh, sorry. They caught the carrots, except for one that fell. Hello. Oh, yeah. Ready, guys? Whee! Did somebody get that? Oh, okay. You got it.
That's the end of that. August 12th, 2025. 24-year wedding anniversary. These are the results of our union.
There's so many guys with carrots. I can't do like 8.
No,
Why?
you could do one more. They do. We do eat those. Do not give them nuts. You could give them seeds. All right.